Welcome back, Captains. We're going to be taking a look at the New Smyrna boat ramp here today and some of these annoying jet skis. Now, the wind is 18 to 25 gusting and the tide is slack, so these shouldn't have too much of a problem here. For some reason, these annoying jet skis can't get this right. I think he's going to put that ski on backwards. Well, nice little reset there, and he's still screwed up. Well, and his cousin Nat over here is going to put that one there ball bearing deep in the water. I think this is a world record. This is the first time I've ever seen 4 skis loading up at once. I don't know how this thing happened here. This jet ski's like 19 foot long, but this guy still managed to fall off. Now his lanyard's not even connected, so you can see he's back there by that impeller. Those things are normally supposed to be worn. Cousin Nat's still trying to get hooked up over there in the background. He almost got him a bird's nest in that strap. Look at that thing. Look how far that thing's out. Well, at the New Smyrna boat ramp, everybody likes to primarily go in reverse as their method of travel when they're on their boat or their ski. He creeps it in backwards over here, and his friend's going to grab that front, hopefully get him squared away. Well, the struggle bus ensues. Well, if you haven't seen side saddle on a jet ski, here you go. I don't know what goes on in the minds of these people that ride these things, but hey, someone could say the same thing about me over here filming these boat ramps. Well, she gets everything squared away with no incident, and I'll give you guys a break from them skis for a minute. Well, look what we have here. We got one of these skis getting towed in right here. I couldn't imagine what's wrong with this thing. It looks like all the oil from that one that's not running is in the one that is running. Probably need to tone it down a little bit. Bring a few extra spark plugs and a spark plug wrench. You might be able to get this thing running again. Well, at least they didn't block the boat ramp like everybody else does when they come in here disabled. He gives Dad a little shoulder check, says, man, next time get this thing running so we can go out. They do the old switcheroo over here and swap spots. I don't know why, but they do. They need to just hold on to this thing like they're riding a bicycle while they just stole a bicycle. That'd be the easiest way to get this thing over there. I was just thinking he could walk that thing over there to the ski, but he's proven he's got control while he's got his wife tied up.
Holy hell, it is windy.
This guy's like a little less oil, man, just a little less oil, like a half gallon less. Well, you've probably seen this one before, but he needs to be back in here again. This guy's more annoying than anything I've ever met. He rides this jet ski around here. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description. It's like he's singing Rockabye Baby to himself over there, swinging back and forth. Well, that gnat gets it fired up and he gets spinning around this little lagoon over here. We got some Memorial Day fun. We got that coming up. You probably should see that one maybe later today or tomorrow. I want to thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. And you can see in the background the other guy gets his on the trailer. Well, I'll see you. Got a video? Send it in to creditcardcaptain@gmail.com.